The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Hi there, friends. I'm meteorologist Jeff Hanowich. You'll notice that we are starting to see more cloud cover again moving in. Now, today was an interesting day because we were pretty cloudy for some period of the day. We were pretty sunny for some period of the day. Now the clouds are starting to roll in. And once those clouds arrive, they're going to be hard to break here as we head into tonight. Let's talk about precipitation. You need to know at 11 midnight we are dry. The bulk of this precipitation moves in for us here between about 4 a.m. and about 6 a.m. such that by 6 a.m. we are looking at the best chance for mainly snow lying in areas along and west of Highway 220. Okay. By about 8 a.m., that is among the periods of time tomorrow where we're going to be really wintry, okay? That is when we're probably going to see the most widespread snow across the region. However, as the day goes on, temperatures start to warm and we start to see a little more mixing taking place, especially towards the New River Valley, where we will likely see more sleet and freezing rain mixing in closer to lunchtime. Eventually, you're going to see any snow change over to rain across south side locations. And then as we head after about 3-4 o'clock tomorrow, we're going to start to see the precipitation lighten up and even turn a little more scattered in nature. So as far as how much snow we see here on Sunday, areas in this light blue color, that includes northern parts of the NRV, the higher terrain surrounding the Roanoke Valley, also the highlands and parts of the southern Shenandoah. That's where 1 to 2 inches plus of snow will be possible. Areas in white, 0 to 1 inch. That is for southern parts of the NRV, also for Southside and Lynchburg City. Up to 1 inch is 0 to 1 inch expected. So while most of the snow will fall in the highlands, the most amount of icing will take place across the New River Valley, especially along the southern Blue Ridge, where we could see 1/10 of an inch plus of ice. That would include Bent Mountain, portions of Franklin, Floyd, Patrick, Carroll, and Grayson counties. Let's talk about what we see beyond Sunday, okay? So this precipitation is about a 12-hour event. It's really from close to sunrise to sunset on Sunday. Maybe starting a little bit before sunrise, may end a little bit before sunset, but you need to know that Monday and Tuesday, we're still going to have some West Slope snow showers to contend with. Most of this stays in West Virginia, but every now and again, especially on Monday, we could have a small spillover towards the NRV and towards the highlands. Otherwise, Monday and Tuesday, we're going to see more sunshine east, more cloud cover west, and it looks like the winds are going to pick up Monday and Tuesday, with Tuesday likely being the windiest day for us. 30 to 40 mile per hour wind gusts possible by then. Today has been a windy day for us, especially earlier today where we had gusts over 40 miles per hour in the highlands and over 35 miles per hour across the New River Valley. Now those winds have weakened considerably. Roughly winds right now between 4 and 12 miles per hour. So those winds have weakened and they're not going to play an important role in our forecast tomorrow. 44 right now Lynchburg, 39 Roanoke, also in Wytheville, 43 in Martinsville. We are looking at winter striking back for us. Highs tomorrow fail to get out of the 30s and we stay very cold Monday into Tuesday. Temperatures then start to go back up again by the latter part of the next work week. Tonight, snow forms late, especially out west. Overnight lows 25 to 33. Tomorrow, a wintry mix will change over to rain, and we are cold tomorrow with highs only in the 30s. Your extended forecast showing highs back into the lower 50s Monday, lower 40s Tuesday, lower 50s Wednesday. However, next Friday, we're back up close to 70 degrees. Again, with the exception of West Slope snow showers, Monday and Tuesday are dry. Everybody's dry Wednesday. A few more showers possible again 1 week from today.